In this video, I'll show you how to transfer bonus amount to main account in OneXBet. This is simple and easy. If you find this video helpful, just click the subscribe button. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. Now, if you have a bonus that you've claimed, especially using a code like LEOTV, and want to transfer to your main account, here's what to do. Come back to your menu, and in your account, you're going to see two accounts here. If you follow the procedure I gave you correctly, you're going to see the account for main account and you're going to see bonus account. So once you choose the bonus account and you want to transfer money from bonus amount to main account, the only thing you have to do is to place bets. So in your bonus account, you're going to place bet with your bonus amount. The amount that's been given to you as bonus, you're going to place bet with it, and any amount that you win will be sent to your main account. I can do that numerously or repeatedly until all their money has been used.